This is a 2018 Harley Davidson Ultra Limited Low. The low model is designed for the rider that's not 6 foot tall or taller. If you're a little bit shorter and have a hard time reaching the ground on a touring bike, this is the model that was designed exactly for you. It sits about 2 inches lower, which is accomplished through the suspension. This 2018 Ultra Limited Low is Twisted Cherry in color. It's a great metallic color. We finally got a sunny day so you can really see the great metallic in it. This bike is in like new condition. It is barely broke in with 9,222 miles on the odometer. Being the limited low model, it comes with the heated grips, the painted inner fairing, smart security system, 2 keys, 2 fobs, ABS brakes, of course cruise control. This is just a fantastic color, this Twisted Cherry. It has the redesigned fairing for better aerodynamics, also has the vent to help reduce the buffeting for the rider and also the passenger. LED lights in the front, LED driving lights, LED fender tip light. There's the clockwork smoked flared windshield. Nice Harley Davidson contrast cut wheels. This 2018 Ultra Limited Low has the 107 cubic inch MILWAUKEE 8 engine with the liquid cooling into the heads, 6-speed transmission. This bike has plenty of horsepower, plenty of torque to get you and your gear and your passenger down the highway, power to pull out and pass, plenty of power to navigate the hills. It's also equipped with the 6.5 inch boom stereo, which is AM, FM, weather band, Bluetooth, GPS navigation. You can actually Bluetooth your phone for your music or your iPod into the stereo system, or inside this compartment right here, you can plug your phone in or your iPod, charge it, and integrate it into the stereo system. Now you can control all that through the touch screen or the hand controls. The Harley Davidson windshield bags have been added. 6-gallon tank, so you have plenty of range. Now the stock seat, which is pretty uncomfortable, has been replaced with a Harley Davidson Sundowner seat, which is a lot more comfortable for not only the passenger but for the rider. Nice big wraparound backrest for your passenger. Has the redesigned saddlebag latches, which are just a single lever to open and close. Tour pack has LED lights on the back for great visibility. Nice premium luggage rack. Have both your owner's manuals, the one for the bike and then one for the boom stereo system. And there's also a 12-volt power point to charge your devices. Now, tap performance chrome mufflers have been added so you can actually hear this bike run. The stock exhaust is very, very, very quiet. These aren't a very loud muffler, but they give it a really good sound. Bike is in excellent condition. There's no scratches, no chips in the paint, no scuffs. It runs as good as it looks. Market for a new touring bike this year, take a good look at this 2018 Limited Low. It's got low mileage, fantastic color. Twisted Cherry is one of my favorites. Great metallic color. It's mildly accessorized. Windshield bag, nice exhaust. Save yourself thousands of dollars off of MSRP on a new one. Don't get stuck with the prep charges and the setup charges and all the other mystery fees a large dealership adds on to the price of your purchase. Call Will at Dream Cycles USA. Can be reached at 417-343-3696. Can be found on the web at www.dreamcyclesusa.com. Thank you.